Hi everyone, today I'm going to read an ABC book. The title is Monsters ABCs, and I think you can tell from the cover that this book is a lot of fun. This is a silly book about the alphabet, and there are some silly things happening on the pages. The alphabet monster will present each letter of the alphabet, and on each page he'll be asking you a question about the pictures. I'll read the book to you first, and you can read the questions on each page with me, as well as the pictures with labels. Then I'd like you to answer the question by finding other things in the picture whose name begins with that letter. Let's begin. I'm the alphabet monster. Let's find things that start with each letter. Now, let's just read the alphabet chart before we continue. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. A. I see an acorn and an apple. What can you see that starts with A? I see an ape, and I can also see an alligator. B. I see a bear. What can you see that starts with B? I see a bird on top of a ball on top of a bear, and I can also see a balloon. C. I see a cat. What can you see that starts with C? I see a cow eating a carrot, and I can also see a chocolate cake. Do you like chocolate cake? I love chocolate cake. D. I see a dog. What can you see that starts with D? I see a duck, and I can also see a doll. E. I see an eagle on an egg. What can you see that starts with E? I see an elephant, and I see an eel, and I can also see a pair of ears that I think belong to maybe a rabbit. F. I see a fish. What can you see that starts with F? I see a fox blowing a feather. I can also see a foot and a mouse holding a fan. G. I see a goat. What can you see that starts with G? I see a gorilla wearing glasses on top of a goat, and I see a goose on top of the gorilla, and it looks like they're chasing a girl. And I can also see a little mouse eating some grapes. H. I see a hat. What can you see that starts with H? I see a hat on top of a horse, and it looks like they're talking to a hedgehog. And I can also see a house. I see an iguana and some ice. What can you see that starts with I? I see an inchworm on top of an iguana, and it looks like the iguana is eating some ice cream. Do you like ice cream? J. I see a jar. What can you see that starts with J? I see someone jumping rope. I love to jump rope. I can also see a jar filled with jelly beans. I can also see a jack-o'-lantern on top of a snowman. K. I see a kite. What can you see that starts with K? I see a kitten holding onto a kite, and I can also see a kangaroo with a mouse in their pouch holding a key. L. I see a leaf. What can you see that starts with L? I see a lion and a lizard licking a lollipop. M. I see a mouse. What can you see that starts with M? I see a mouse flying to the moon. I can also see a monkey holding a mug. N. I see a nest. What can you see that starts with N? I see a net. And I can also see some noodles. I love noodles. O. I see an octopus in the ocean. What can you see that starts with O? I see an octopus holding an orange. And it looks like they're talking to an ostrich, which is a big type of bird. I can also see an ox. P. I see a pig. What can you see that starts with P? I see a panda and a pig sharing a pepperoni pizza. I love pepperoni pizza. And it looks like they may also be sharing some pie and a pear. And I see the little mouse eating some peanuts. Q. I see a queen. What can you see that starts with Q? I see a queen talking to a quail. And I can also see a quilt on top of the queen. And I can also see a question mark growing out of a plant, which is a little funny. R. I see a ring. What can you see that starts with R? I can see a rose. I can also see a rainbow. And I see a rabbit. And it also looks like this little mouse is wearing a pair of rollerblades. S. I see some socks. What can you see that starts with S? I see a seal eating a sandwich. I can also see the little mouse in a sailboat. I also see the sun. T. I see a turtle. What can you see that starts with T? I see a tent. I also see a tomato on top of a table. U. I see a unicorn and an umbrella. What can you see that starts with U? I see a unicycle, and I can also see someone wearing their underwear. I can also see a bird flying upside down. V. I see V. I see a violin. What can you see that starts with V? I see a vulture, and I can also see a vase. And I also see a vine. W. I see a window. What can you see that starts with W? I see a wolf, and I can also see a web. And I also see a wig. X. I see an X-ray. What can you see that starts with X? I see a xylophone. I love playing with xylophones. And I can also see on a treasure map, X marks the spot. Y. I see some yarn. What can you see that starts with Y? I see a yak playing with a yo-yo. Z. I see a zebra. What can you see that starts with Z? I see a sign for the zoo. I can also see a zipper on this jacket. And I can also see this little mouse making a zigzag line. Did you find these things in the pictures? Let's take a look. alligator and ape for A. I think we found those. B, ball. I think we found the ball. C, cow. Eating a carrot. We definitely found that. D, doll. We found a doll. E, elephant and ears. We did find those. F, fox. We definitely found the fox. G, goose. I'm pretty sure we found a goose. H, a hat on top of a horse. We did find that horse. I, ice cream and igloo. We did find those. J, jacket. I'm pretty sure we found jacket. Did you find jacket? K, kitten. We did find a kitten. L, lion. We did see the lion. M, mug. We did find the mug. N, napkin. I think we maybe found the napkin. Did you find the napkin? O, orange and ox. We did find the orange and the ox. P, pie. We did find the pie. Q, quilt. We did find the quilt. R, rabbit. We did find the rabbit. S, seal. We did find the seal. T, tent. We did find the tent. U, for underwear and unicycle. We did find those. V, vest. I think we found the vest. W, wolf. We did find the wolf. X, X-ray. We did find the X-ray. Y, yo-yo. We did find the yo-yo. And Z, zigzag. We did find the zigzag. I hope you had fun with all the letters in the alphabet. Bye! Wow, that was a silly book. What did you think about the story? Was there something that the author did to make this ABC book more interesting and fun? I thought that she created a funny narrator, the Alphabet Monster. I also thought it was a lot of fun that the Alphabet Monster asked us a question on almost every page. It felt like I was playing a game. I also thought that the pictures were really funny. Before we wrap it up, I just want to talk about a page that I thought was really helpful, the alphabet chart. What did you notice about the chart? I noticed that the chart had uppercase, which are big letters, and lowercase letters, which are small letters, for each letter of the alphabet. The chart also shows a picture with a word that begins with that letter. I have a fun idea. Let's think about the letter your name starts with. Can you think of other words that begin with that letter? My name is Miss G, and I can think of a word that starts with the letter G, and it's one of my favorite animals, giraffe. I loved reading the silly book together, and I can't wait to read it together again. Bye!